Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to sign up for Keplr Wallet. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, open your Keplr Wallet application and then make sure that you're inside this main homepage. You can create a new wallet if you don't have one already, or simply import an existing wallet of yours. Since we are signing up in today's video, let's get started by clicking on Create a New Wallet. In order to create a new wallet, you can use the Sign in with Apple, Sign in with Google, or tap on Create New Mnemonic option. Here I'm gonna choose Create New Mnemonic at the bottom, which will then create you a mnemonic phrase. You will need to back up your mnemonic phrases securely. Make sure to write it in a correct order, or simply copy to the clipboard by tapping on the copy button and paste it somewhere else safe. Once you've backed up your phrases, go ahead and enter a wallet nickname for yourself. Now on the next field, create a password for your Keplr wallet. Re-enter the newly created password inside the confirm password box. And finally tap on next. Now enter your backup phrases securely. Now choose your mnemonic phrases in the correct order inside the missing boxes. For the missing boxes, make sure to choose the words corresponding the correct number from your backup. Once you put it in the correct order, tap on next at the bottom and you are now all set. You can enable biometric by toggling on this button at the bottom, or if you want to disable it, make sure to turn it off and tap on done. And there you have successfully created a wallet for Keplr. So that's how easy it is to sign up for a Keplr wallet. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again with the next video. Thank you for watching.